Channel, your go-to source for the latest in 3D printing news and reviews. Today, we are going to see a 3D printer which is said to be made for kids, the Toybox 3D printer. It's marketed as a kids-friendly 3D printer that makes it easy for children to design and print their own toys. But does it really delivers? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the Toybox 3D printer is compact and pretty straightforward. It's clearly designed with simplicity in mind, which is important for the target audience. The Toybox app is central to the experience. It's easy to navigate and the pre-loaded designs are a nice touch for beginners. However, the limited customization options might not satisfy older generations for those looking for more control over their design. For young users, it serves as a decent introduction to the basics of 3D printing. Now let's talk about the printing experience itself. The printer operates relatively quietly and is straightforward to use. Just pick a design in the app, hit print and you are off. However, print times can vary with smaller toys and take around 30 minutes to an hour and larger designs requiring more time. As for the print quality, it's generally good for basic designs. We can't compare it with Bamboo Labs or even with any cubic series printer because it's not trying to be the best 3D printer, it's just for kids to play with. The Toybox handles simple shapes well, but don't expect high details or precision. This is understandable given the printer's focus on accessibility rather than the advanced capabilities for kids. The quality should be more sufficient for play. There are, however, some limitations to keep in mind. The print pad is small, which restricts the size of the object you can print in one go. Additionally, while the printer uses PLA filament, which is safe and eco-friendly, the proprietary filament can get expensive if your child prints frequently.
In terms of durability, the Toybox is solid enough for light use, but it may not withstand heavy or rough handling given the price point. This is something to consider. It's an investment and you'll want to ensure that it matches your child's needs and interests.
Thanks for tuning in. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more 3D printing news and information. Let us know in the comment section when and how you started 3D printing, or if you have other recommendations for beginner friendly 3D printer. See you in the next video.